Hello everyone, very short video. From time to time, our favorite web shops, they do sales, and in this particular case, we're looking at Banggood. This is a very time-limited sale. Most of this stuff only goes through the 12th. I've eliminated a lot of the stuff that's included as part of their promotion, so you may find other things on the website that are on sale but aren't on this list. I have listed stuff that I've either personally used or I've gotten recommendations from those who have come to the channel, and you'll find that I have links in the spreadsheet, and a link to the spreadsheet is down in the video description below. You will find one item that you might think is an oddity in the WL Toys 144001. I was actually asked by one of the commenters about picking up a buggy to get kind of started in remote control, and this is one that I suggested after doing some of my own research. You'll also find the iFlight Nazgul 5, which I think has just resoundingly gotten good reviews. So if you're looking at a 5-inch, that's also on there. There's two different versions of the Radiomaster TX16S. One has the hall sensor gimbals, one does not, so you see a price difference there. So if you're looking for a radio, I recommend the radios that have multi-protocol modules in them because of the problem with SPI-based receivers and the D8 mode with FrSky protocols. We've also got things like the Ishin US65, which we reviewed recently, and the Transtech Beetle, which is a DJI-based system. So if you were, if you were looking at getting involved, maybe now is something where you can save some money, or it puts the item that you were looking at in your budget. And we've also got the tried and true happy model Mobulus 7, the V2, down to under $70 with a coupon. So that's 2S. That one's a lot of fun. 40mm props is kind of my favorite props for indoor flying. Below that, we've also got the Mobulus 6 HD, which I reviewed not that long ago. I think it was just a couple months ago. Puts it right around the $100 marker US prices. So those are the items that I have either used, researched, in the case of the WL Toys buggy, or I have just gotten a lot of positive comments about. So if you're looking at any of these items, they may have been of interest to you and they might put them in your budget at this time. If you are interested in any of these products, as I said, I've got a link down in the video description below to where you can look at this spreadsheet and you can find the pricing, the coupon codes, and you can also go to the product page from the links within that sheet. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, or otherwise, please let me know in that section down below. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching and saving a few dollars at the same time.